to the people here.
That's where all this started, and where it's all gonna end.
Where is he? We opened a door to another world. And something came out with us. There's always a price to pay.
What was that?
I don't know. There's something out there. Everyone's afraid, and it's getting worse.
What is everyone afraid of?
Us.
You felt fear.
Terror. They're gonna turn on us.
The best way to build an army is through fear.
All we need is to find out what he wants.
And how far you're willing to go to stop a war.
Well, I think it's already started.
What do I tell Scott?
You tell him to run.
He's murdering our friends. And he's not gonna stop.
No one gets out of this thing alive.
We fight back. You think you're doing this without me, did you? Without us?
You failed. Welcome back. You must all be feeling rather nostalgic.
Something brought them back.
The breach on the floor is pretty unstable.
I have someone who has a special talent for these kinds of things. We call him the Alpha.
Right, like a dog.
No, like a wolf.
If you can heal, you could play tomorrow night. You're my son, but you've got to be willing to learn.
Cancel my 2 o'clock and hold all my calls. Are you gonna be in a meeting? Yeah, kind of.
She's here.
I didn't see it.
You're seeing Allison, too. I got a feeling the answers are in Beacon Hills.
I haven't been back in a long time.
How do we know she's really Allison?
Who are you?
It's me. It's Scott.
Scott who?
Whoever or whatever is out there right now, it's not Allison.
We need everyone.
There's more going on, and I think it's all connected.
The Nikitsune come to play a new game.
You have to find her and stop her and help her remember who she was.
Time to hunt. I want you to watch your friends die.
It's like he's knocking pieces off the board. So how come he put me back on it?
The game is mine.
I'm still standing! I'm still the Alpha!
Tell me, what sound does a wolf make when it's going to die?
This is a